Welcome to the Saskatchewan Waste Reduction Council's website. Our Waste Reduction Hub can help you find options to recycle, repair, donate, or compost your items. This video series will show you how to use our website on a mobile device. Please note that it will display differently on a desktop computer. To search these listings, you can click and scroll through the list of communities. You'll notice that Saskatoon and Regina are pinned to the top and the rest are listed in alphabetical order, or you can type into the box and click on the name when it appears. This process is similar for the material box. Once you have both a community and a material selected, click Search. This will take you to the results page. On this page, you'll see a map and a list of locations underneath 1 to 4 tabs. The tabs are Recycle, Pass It On, Compost, and Repair. As we're using laptop as an example, Compost does not appear because there are no options to compost a laptop. Click on one of these tabs. For this example, we'll explore Repair. The map is centered on the community you have searched for, and each location listed has a corresponding pin on the map. You can either click on the name in the list or the pin on the map, and it will load that location's specific information. A zoomed-in version of the map and the listing's information will appear. To return to the results list, click the Back button. Choose a location close to you or find one that's on your usual route. You can pinch and unpinch to zoom in and out on the map. Once you have chosen a location, we encourage you to phone ahead for clarification and any questions. Let's take a closer look at the tabs on the results page. For this example, we will search all of Prince Albert so that options for all 4 tabs show up by leaving the materials box blank. The default tab is Recycle, but as mentioned, we also showcase Pass It On, Compost, and Repair. The Pass It On tab is all about getting things to other people that can use them. It shows any places we have found for the reuse of items like thrift stores, donation bins, consignment stores, and charity shops or events. The Compost tab shows any community's programs which accept yard waste and/or food scraps. The Repair tab shows lists of people and/or shops that are fixing things up. This is the newest addition to the website, so if you know of a repair business in your area, please let us know about it. Sometimes the phrase, "No results were found," will display. This means that we didn't find a location in that community. However, any programs in neighboring communities will show as nearby results, written in a list as well as displayed on the map. Additionally, we provide more information on some materials. If you would like to learn about why some materials are accepted and some are not, click on More Information. It will take you to one of our resource pages, which will tell you more about that material. Let's talk about different ways to search the Waste Reduction Hub. If you've already made one search and you want to make another, click on Search in the upper right-hand corner to bring up the community and material boxes again. As shown earlier, you can search for a whole community by leaving the materials box blank and selecting the community from the list. Similarly, you can see all results for one material by leaving the community box blank. You can even zoom in to see what is available in different areas or along different routes. We hope this has been helpful. Thank you for using our website to help keep things out of the landfill.